Hi guys, welcome. This is an ALCI video. In ALCI we have this project where you can actually build your own ArcoLinux but then Calamares installer. So with ALCI.online is hopefully somewhere on here as reference. Here it is, ArcoLinux Calamares installer website. So this is where it all starts. The GitHub is where the scripts are, and I ran this little guy, ALCI Pure. So it's going to be a black screen I'm going to be on. But rather than installing using the ArcoLinux ISO, we use Calamares to install ArcoLinux, and that's ALCI. That's all it is, nothing more, nothing less. So I have Oracle ready. Pure is loaded. Optical drive is not loaded. This is the one with XFCE, ALCI ISO dev out, so 1.11. And there is also the Pure version, no XFCI, 945 and a bit megabyte. So we're booting into something graphical, which is always, well, preferably for most people, that you boot up with ArcoLinux. So you see nothing has changed to the grub of Arch. It basically is Arch ISO application and run scripts, right? But then from time to time, here and there, we need to intervene so it can be installed with Calamares. We've created our own DWM ALCI, so it's not conflicting with the official one. So it's a ALCI installer, well, application or desktop, I should say. DWM is a kind of desktop, a tiling window manager. And we have Calamares, just to go through the click, 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 and that's it. And you got yourself ArcoLinux installed. That's why we want it. We don't want to go through all the motions of typing all these commands. We want to have something quick and easy, graphical, and voila. That's it. And then you wait, right? Then you wait till everything is unpacked and written to your system. And then we'll install, I always like to install something that we have not given already, not shown already, not built already on ArcoLinux, which is Enlightenment. There's still no ISO for it, but there is an ArcoLinux D GitHub for it. So let's install that just for fun, just for kicks. All right, let's pause here. Of course, it's super easy and super fast that this installs, because basically it's 900 megabytes. It's super fast. And then we boot up into ArcoLinux. We don't have anything. It's a pure Arch thing. Let's have a look what we do have. We end up with a nice, beautiful TTY with a user, and we can log in. Do we have anything else? Let's have a look at pacman -remove Arco. Is there anything Arco related? No, there's nothing Arco related at all. Is there any XF86 packages? Drivers always, right? Nothing to remove, but let's first make sure, and let's get the database in. So that's that. You see already the repos, right? It's pure Arch. -r XF. There is nothing available. There's nothing available. NVIDIA for the guys not available. So is Xorg available? XXX, nothing available, but Eric, have you installed bash completion? Otherwise your tab will not work, right? Not working at all. So yeah, ooh, that's wrong. And then we can use the tab. What am I doing? That's installed. Exit, log in again. Sudo pacman -r Arco things, Arch, and that's it. And XF86 video VMware. Well, okay, that's cool, right? So this is VirtualBox, so that's okay, that's there. Xorg. Do we have anything Xorg related? We have Xorg Proto and Xorg Xrender. That's not much, right? That's so let's install some more elements to be able to work. I'll get my website out. Well, actually, this is what we need, right? We need to go to the building code. And the building code of this guy is going to tell us installation scripts, Arch ISO, packages x86-64 there at the end. This is all Arch ISO. This is not from us. All the lines till 109 is a decision of ArcoLinux. That's the Arch ISO. Xorg. I have here Xorg Xkill, and here we are. Xorg server, Xorg apps. Okay, so I'm following some well, list of Lego blocks we like to have, and this is a bunch of stuff, so it's always gonna be a group package. So one name holds many more packages. So we've got Xorg. Okay, so we boot up, we have Xorg. We don't have a display manager. No, we don't have a display manager. So -s SZDM. I have now a display manager. Is it enabled? Is it active? No, it's not enabled. So you enable the SZDM. Okay, is there something behind it? No, there's nothing behind it. Let me close other tabs and move back here. Arch Wiki Enlightenment. There it is. What do we need to install this? It says we need to install Enlightenment package. Also install terminology. Okay, that's just a terminal. There are so many terminals. Sudo pacman -s Enlightenment. There we go. Enter, enter, enter. Servers are good, right? It's fast, so no need to change that. And then we sudo reboot. It does not exist. Sudo reboot. That was an alias from ArcoLinux that we use. And then we go to third line. I could get the, if I unloaded the ISO in my VirtualBox, I wouldn't need to do that. And there we are. So what do we have? Enlightenment on Wayland and on Xorg probably. My choice would be always Xorg on VirtualBox. There we go. Enlightenment. What does this say? Very difficult to read. Okay, next. Belgian keyboard. That's cool. Next. Computer standard alignment or tiling. Okay, next. Title can be a little bit bigger for me whenever a window is clicked. Okay, okay, okay. You notice we don't have a choice. We just need to install everything. We can't say no when we need to go through it. Even though we would say I don't want that. You can't say I don't want it. It's just next, next, next always. And voila, we have Enlightenment. And then we have all these pop-ups we get. Right mouse click doesn't not do anything. Left mouse click is this. Accessories, development, internet. So it's still pretty empty because it's basically Arch Pure. But with this particular desktop, this will be installed. Voila. There are some themes. So now you have seen Enlightenment as well as a possible system to have fun with. All right. Well, nothing much to tell you, but give ALCI a go and see if you like it, if this is a better way of installing ArcoLinux on your computer system. All right, cheers.